What's up, guys? You feel me? I started that shit mad walk. What's up, guys? You feel me?
You feel me?
I was trying to tell y'all, look, getting ready per usual. Me and Leeks is getting ready to do some errands we gotta do. Niggas gotta go to food shopping. I gotta go to AutoZone, get a couple stuff for the. Hold on, you dirty bastards. That's how y'all niggas was about to come outside. Listen, got a couple errands. I gotta go to AutoZone. We gotta go food shopping. And what else you gotta do? Then that's it. Oh, and then I got. Yeah, Leeks is getting her eyebrows done, so I'm taking her to do that. Real quick shit, you feel me? Should be outside 2 hours, 3 hours the most. And you feel me? Yeah, I'm just gonna vlog today, you feel me? Hopefully you guys enjoying your day. Hopefully it's been a nice weekend, Labor Day weekend, you feel me? Sunday for us. Yesterday was, we did a bunch of running around. Here, Leeks, you can pack this in your bag. Camera's dying, I got 30%, so. But yeah, yesterday was hectic as shit, you feel me? We was out here running around, doing all these errands. I still posted a freaking reaction. If you ain't see it, go look at it right now, you feel me? So yeah, reaction up and shit, go watch the reactions. But yeah, regular errand shit. I'm rushing, I'll holler at y'all when I get in the car and whatnot. And gloomy day outside today, guys. But you know, sometimes I like when it's a little rainy. That's my time, that's my weather. It's nice and cool, got a nice cool breeze. Feel me? I'm a spring dude. Feel me? How you feeling, Leeks?
It's nice out, actually. You know I'm always hot, so.
You like summer?
It's a little cooler.
Oh.
Cause my body be hot.
The sun Leeks be out here hot and shit.
This guy's being a fucking mechanic.
That's not why you're distant. Tell me different. Look at that poster with the little baby.
Oh, look at that face.
Baby, let's make it one of us. But only me and you, baby, we can make it one of us. I ain't trying to play around with you.
You like being PA? You close your eyes and wish.
Just got back home, freaking unpacking, taking all that shit out the car, and actually packing some away inside the house too, courtesy of Leeks. You feel me? It's time to shower. I'm tired. I've been driving all day and shit. You feel me? So I don't know. Have you? Leeks is making some is it red curry? Is that what it's called? Or red coconut curry? She's making some red curry noodles tonight with some broccoli in it and some shit. You feel me? That's gonna be fire. Something nice and light for the night. She probably record something for y'all. You feel me? Sound light. I just saying that same shit. Sound light.
Rice noodles. Oh my gosh. I like these. These are thinner. Usually I don't really like the noodles we do because they're super thick. So. Yeah.
Nah, I hear that. That's a fact. I like those noodles too. It feels like it just the sauce sticks more to them shits. If y'all know what I'm talking about. If y'all had those noodles. But yeah. Anyway, guys, yeah, your boy's ready to go take a shower and chill, man. So.
You told her what we're making?
Did I? Oh yeah, I did.
The red coconut curry with the rice noodles. So we got some rice noodles. I got some water boiling. They threw a fucking noodle in there.
I shot a noodle in there like this, y'all. And then went in just like that.
Right there. And then you got the mise en place with the scallions, the bell peppers, cilantro, ginger, lime. We got the chopped garlic in here already. This is the red curry paste that we're gonna use with the coconut milk. I got some fish sauce, rice vinegar, soy sauce, and sambal. Regular shit that we always use. Ooh, it's going down.
Ooh.
That should look good, right? I love coconut milk. We forgot to record. But I put the broccoli, everything that I showed you. I just put it all in this pot. At first, I cooked down the curry paste just a little bit. Just to, you know, bloom whatever gotta be bloomed. And it's just frozen broccoli, so, you know, leaving it just a little bit crunchy. Added the rice wine vinegar, just a little bit of, like 2 drops, 3 drops of fish sauce. And, cause that's just strong. A few splashes of soy sauce and like half a can of coconut milk. 2 teaspoons of garlic. These are my noodles. I just have them right here because they finished cooking first, sadly. But sauce almost done, so we're almost there. Then I got my garnish with the cilantro and the scallions. I only used half a lime, so brought these noodles in. They're so long, look. I'm not supposed to break them. I think it's bad luck if you break your noodles. I just think it's easier to mix with tongs. Kind of just mix it around. Don't do too much.
Nigga, you don't even. Freaking 8 o'clock in the morning and getting ready to start our day and shit, and you feel me? Just continuing from yesterday's vlog. You feel me? I don't even know what was the last clip. What was the last clip we showed yesterday, Leeks? I'm spitting and shit. Oh, wow. Well, Leeks don't hear me, but I think the last clip I showed was probably while Leeks was cooking and shit. After we finished, after she finished cooking, we ate, we was chilling, yada, 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 night end. Y'all know how that shit go. So yeah, right now I'm kind of rushing, so I'm about to stop talking to y'all, but at the end of the day, you feel me, I'm gonna see y'all when I get to the car. Alright guys, in the car now. I forgot that it was freaking Labor Day today, so it's not that much traffic in NYC, so you know, I should be able to maneuver through the roads nice and peacefully today. Just cruise, you feel me, and be Gucci. Even though it's Labor Day, Leeks still gotta work, she still gotta take care of old JUUU, you feel me, because if she and my moms don't do it, who taking care of old JUUU? Right. Nobody. Anyway, so I'm passing by because today I have nothing to do, you feel me? Actually, I got a little bit of work to do on the laptop, edit some videos and shit like that. So I was like, hey, might as well I go somewhere quiet and edit it, hang out with Leeks, hang out with old JUUU, and we just chill. So I'm going to be ending the vlog, not right now. Y'all probably gonna get a few clips, probably say what's up to young JUUU real quick and all that shit before I end the vlog. But
and
yeah,
if we celebrate Labor Day too. Anything we do small at least, because you know we gotta do something today.
You know what I'm saying? Got the if you know, you know in the air, you know what I'm saying? And we just chilling. Hold on, I'm about to maneuver. Yo, take this shit from me. But yeah, bro.
I wish everyone could tell me exactly what they need for me the first time.
If I got some performance tires, I would have been in this bitch. Skating. Y'all wanna see some? Alright then. Let's see some.
Let's show some.
Already back up, nigga. I gotta see some.
Alright, that's enough. Let's show you.
Nigga said that's enough. We ain't even do nothing, nigga. We ain't even do nothing, man.
Too early for you. And you don't got no inspection.
Oh, chill. Don't let them niggas know I'm riding
Them niggas know
dirty.
no shit.
Don't let me know I'm riding dirty. My tires need to change, so you know these turns like this, you gotta take it cute. You feel me? Something cute, just go 60.
Sign call.
See, let me get right next to this Audi too. I hit type quick, I ain't gonna cap. You got a blister?
Yeah.
Alright, did. Well guys, let's get the fuck upstairs. I have arrived. Young JUUU's crib. You feel me? We here and shit, chilling. Young JUUU's in the bathroom right now, so you know what I'm saying? We're gonna wait till she come out before I greet her. I got you. I never showed you guys, but like Julia lived in this crib since like her family lived in here, so she's not. I'm talking to the camera, but she's been in here since her. I don't know if Julia moms and them lived in this house, but she most definitely grew up in this house. Her siblings grew up in this house, so this house been out. You feel me? She been in here since like the 1940s, 30s, whatever the case may be. But they got some old ass shit. Like look at this stove. The stove not cool. The knobs, they got the knobs off. They took it off because Julia, you know, she be causing havoc sometimes.
From the 50s and 60s.
Like everything's from the 50s, 60s for real.
All old school, right?
I don't know if I ever showed the vlog this, but right. See your old fridge. I don't really want to be in her business and show y'all her pictures and shit, but y'all get the gist. Y'all see, like the old fridge. You see how I got the frozen food right there. Like that shit is crazy. I be saying like, you feel me, like. This shit gonna be crazy. Like when it's time to like take everything out this house. Like, bro, sick. Let me tell y'all this crazy story. So back when Julia was in her teenage days or whatever the case may be, she lived in here with her brother, right? Her brother actually passed away when he was about, I don't know what age he was actually. I know he was a teenager, whether he was 18, 19 years old. So the boy passed away, you know, feel me? Rest in peace to homie. But he died in that bedroom. In this bedroom right here. He was sick. He died in that bedroom. But look, crazy thing is, the bed that he died on, the mattress and bed frame and all that, is still there. It's still there. You know what? I feel like, should I show it in this video? Or should I make that something else? Leeks, like, should I make it like a little part 2 or something?
If you want to make it about this, then.
Yo, like, alright, yo. Like, let me hear this. If y'all really want to hear more about that story, y'all want to see like little like antiques or old little stuff that Julia have, you feel me? Y'all can comment below and I'll make a part 2 to this. Like I would then make a video straight for that because it's dead mad cool shit in here, like you feel me? And there's like dead stories behind all that shit, like mad stories. Julia can tell you some of the stories too. Julia be knowing, she remembers some shit, so maybe you can get some talk to Julia. Y'all let me know. That's a plan. I'm gonna save the room. I'm not even gonna show y'all now. This shit is crazy. Same mattress, like I'm telling you, bro. I'm telling y'all. Hey, young Ju, you feel me? I see you. How you feeling today, man? How you feeling today? Shitty? You know, I ain't gonna lie to you. I've been feeling shitty too. And the vlog right here. Hope you guys enjoyed and all that good stuff, man. I'm gonna get to editing. I'm probably gonna get back to posting some reactions. Hopefully you guys been watching them, you feel me? You ain't been watching shit, y'all. I know y'all ain't been watching shit. Don't worry. I gotta be consistent first, so I know it's my fault. So I'm trying to put in the work, and then hopefully I start fucking with your boy again. But listen, you feel me? End of this. Look out for more videos. You already know. You know the vibes, guys. You already know the vibes. Oh, let me know if y'all want that part 2. All the antiques. Showing the room, you know what I was talking about with her brother and all that stuff. Let me know, guys. Just comment down below. You know the good stuff.